Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Past simple. Interrogative sentences. Did you work? For interrogative sentences, the past form of the verb to do is used, did, located before the subject. Structure. Did, didn't. Plus. Subject. Plus. Verb. Plus. Complement. Plus. Closing question mark. Examples. Did she go away last week?
Did she go away last week?
Did she go away last week?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Did she come home early?
Did she come home early?
Did she come home early?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Did you do the shopping?
Did you do the shopping?
Did you do the shopping?
No, I didn't have time.
No, I didn't have time.
No, I didn't have time.
Did she have a good holiday?
Did she have a good holiday?
Did she have a good holiday?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Did he come to the party?
Did he come to the party?
Did he come to the party?
No, he didn't.
No, he didn't.
No, he didn't.
Did you cut the vegetables for dinner?
Did you cut the vegetables for dinner?
Did you cut the vegetables for dinner?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Didn't your son clean the house?
Didn't your son clean the house?
Didn't your son clean the house?
No, he didn't.
No, he didn't.
No, he didn't.
Did your boyfriend meet your parents?
Did your boyfriend meet your parents?
Did your boyfriend meet your parents?
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Did you watch the film yesterday?
Did you watch the film yesterday?
Did you watch the film yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Where did they go for their holiday?
Where did they go for their holiday?
Where did they go for their holiday?
They went to the mountains.
They went to the mountains.
They went to the mountains.
What did you do yesterday?
What did you do yesterday?
What did you do yesterday?
I slept all day.
I slept all day.
I slept all day.
Did she swim in her pool yesterday?
Did she swim in her pool yesterday?
Did she swim in her pool yesterday?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Did your father hug you?
Did your father hug you?
Did your father hug you?
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Did it rain on Sunday?
Did it rain on Sunday?
Did it rain on Sunday?
Yes, it did.
Yes, it did.
Yes, it did.
How did the accident happen?
How did the accident happen?
How did the accident happen?
Like a dream.
Like a dream.
Like a dream.
Did you see Carol yesterday?
Did you see Carol yesterday?
Did you see Carol yesterday?
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
Did you visit the lake last year?
Did you visit the lake last year?
Did you visit the lake last year?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Did you cut your hand while cooking?
Did you cut your hand while cooking?
Did you cut your hand while cooking?
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
Did they enjoy their classes?
Did they enjoy their classes?
Did they enjoy their classes?
Yes, they did.
Yes, they did.
Yes, they did.
Did she have a pressure cooker?
Did she have a pressure cooker?
Did she have a pressure cooker?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Did you do any crafts last year?
Did you do any crafts last year?
Did you do any crafts last year?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Did he work hard last month?
Did he work hard last month?
Did he work hard last month?
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Where did we go on holiday?
Where did we go on holiday?
Where did we go on holiday?
We went to the beach.
We went to the beach.
We went to the beach.
Did we study in a big school?
Did we study in a big school?
Did we study in a big school?
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did.
Did she wear glasses?
Did she wear glasses?
Did she wear glasses?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Did they have a good working environment?
Did they have a good working environment?
Did they have a good working environment?
Yes, they did.
Yes, they did.
Yes, they did.
Did she work in a big company?
Did she work in a big company?
Did she work in a big company?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Did your company always train you?
Did your company always train you?
Did your company always train you?
Yes, always.
Yes, always.
Yes, always.
When did you hear the news?
When did you hear the news?
When did you hear the news?
When I arrived at work.
When I arrived at work.
When I arrived at work.
How did you get that brilliant idea?
How did you get that brilliant idea?
How did you get that brilliant idea?
I got it by meditating.
I got it by meditating.
I got it by meditating.
Did you sing on stage?
Did you sing on stage?
Did you sing on stage?
No, I didn't. I'm very shy.
No, I didn't. I'm very shy.
No, I didn't. I'm very shy.
Did you argue with your boyfriend?
Did you argue with your boyfriend?
Did you argue with your boyfriend?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
What did they do on the weekend?
What did they do on the weekend?
What did they do on the weekend?
They went to the restaurant.
They went to the restaurant.
They went to the restaurant.
Did you study when you were children?
Did you study when you were children?
Did you study when you were children?
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did.
Did he play guitar last year?
Did he play guitar last year?
Did he play guitar last year?
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Did she have her own music band?
Did she have her own music band?
Did she have her own music band?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Did you play in the snow last year?
Did you play in the snow last year?
Did you play in the snow last year?
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did.
Did you have a super warm coat?
Did you have a super warm coat?
Did you have a super warm coat?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Did she finish her work early?
Did she finish her work early?
Did she finish her work early?
No, she didn't.
No, she didn't.
No, she didn't.
Did he take his dog for a walk?
Did he take his dog for a walk?
Did he take his dog for a walk?
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Did they travel abroad on Sunday?
Did they travel abroad on Sunday?
Did they travel abroad on Sunday?
Yes, they did.
Yes, they did.
Yes, they did.
Did she often go away?
Did she often go away?
Did she often go away?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Did you clean your window last Monday?
Did you clean your window last Monday?
Did you clean your window last Monday?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Did she buy fruit at the supermarket?
Did she buy fruit at the supermarket?
Did she buy fruit at the supermarket?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Did your laptop break down yesterday?
Did your laptop break down yesterday?
Did your laptop break down yesterday?
No, it didn't.
No, it didn't.
No, it didn't.
Did she water her garden on Saturday?
Did she water her garden on Saturday?
Did she water her garden on Saturday?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Did he plant a tree in his garden?
Did he plant a tree in his garden?
Did he plant a tree in his garden?
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Did he create video games?
Did he create video games?
Did he create video games?
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Yes, he did.
Did she pay all her debts?
Did she pay all her debts?
Did she pay all her debts?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Yes, she did.
Did you eat noodles yesterday?
Did you eat noodles yesterday?
Did you eat noodles yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Thanks
For watching.